Nope.
Okay, stop. We're gonna try every key and see if anything moves. What are you doing?
Yeah.
How about these? Unlock. So I'm gonna go every key. Wait, what do you do? Does he just do it sometimes?
Yeah. This is just some skin. Wait.
What do you?
It works.
Oh, so I pushed something.
You got out of there.
I think I pushed function.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, so you wanna try something?
Yeah, it's cool. We have been in control. You get out of the world.
What are you doing?
Moving the screen around.
Oh,
You could also display it.
is that your house?
No,
What are we doing?
that's my house. Let's go to my house.
No. Where's your door? Oh wait.
Oh. What do you do?
I'm
You
so-
want to go on my thing?
How do I open that now?
E. This is E.
Oh. Oh, wait a second. Did I just go out? Oh, yes I did. I hate that you're doing this. Why did you have to move this so much?
I don't know. It's the easiest way. I don't even have a plan.
Okay, so it's working. Okay, so you're not playing right now though, okay? I just wanted to see. So I pushed a set of things. I could have pushed FN, Alt, or any of these, and then all of a sudden it worked. Okay?
And your car.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll stop it now, and then we'll watch it.